Personal knowledge management, or PKM, is a fancy way of saying organizing your thoughts and ideas in a structured manner. It's about taking all the information in your head and putting it somewhere safe and accessible. This could be in a notebook, on your computer, or even in the cloud, where it can be easily retrieved. Think of PKM like having a giant library for your brain, where every piece of information has its own place. When you learn something new, you add it to your library, making it a part of your personal knowledge base. Later, you can easily find that information when you need it, saving you time and effort. PKM helps you learn better and faster by creating a system that works for you. It also helps you remember more of what you learn, reinforcing your memory through organization. This is because when you organize information, your brain understands it better, making connections that enhance comprehension. PKM isn't just about storing information, it's about creating a system that helps you manage your tasks and goals efficiently. By integrating PKM into your daily routine, you can improve productivity and achieve a clearer, more focused mind. There are many benefits to organizing your thoughts with PKM, or personal knowledge management. One significant benefit is improved learning and retention of information. When you take notes and organize your thoughts, you force your brain to process information more deeply, making it easier to recall later. Another benefit is better decision-making, which is crucial in both personal and professional settings. With a well-organized knowledge base, you can quickly find the information you need to make informed decisions, saving you time and reducing stress. No more searching through endless emails or documents. PKM also significantly boosts creativity and innovation. When you connect ideas from different sources, you come up with new and innovative solutions that you might not have thought of otherwise. Your second brain becomes a breeding ground for creativity, allowing you to explore new concepts and ideas. PKM helps you regain control, find peace of mind, and ultimately lead a more organized and productive life. Many people start with PKM, but give up because they make common mistakes. These mistakes can be discouraging and make the process seem more complicated than it actually is. One mistake is trying to be perfect. Perfectionism can paralyze you and prevent you from making any progress at all. Don't worry about having the best system or capturing every single detail. It's more important to start and gradually improve your system over time. Another pitfall is collecting too much information without using it. Information overload can lead to confusion and frustration. The goal is not to hoard knowledge, but to actively use it. Make sure the information you collect is actionable and relevant. Focus on capturing information that is relevant to your goals and interests. This will make your PKM system more effective and enjoyable. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Experimentation is key to finding what works best for you. PKM is a personal system. It should be tailored to fit your unique needs and preferences. What works for one person might not work for another. Everyone has their own way of processing and organizing information. Try different tools and methods until you find what suits you best. Choose your path wisely, and remember that it's okay to change your approach as you learn and grow. Section 4. The future of knowledge. The future of personal knowledge management is, well, super exciting. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making it easier than ever to organize and access information. Imagine having an AI assistant that can summarize articles, generate ideas, and even write for you. Another trend is the rise of networked thought. With tools like online note-taking apps, people are connecting their ideas and collaborating in entirely new ways. Imagine a world where everyone's knowledge is interconnected, forming a collective intelligence. Section 5. The power of PKM in the digital age. In today's digital age, we are bombarded with more information than ever before. This can be honestly overwhelming and make it difficult to focus. Personal knowledge management provides a way to cut through the noise and take control of our information consumption. By curating our own personal knowledge repositories, we can develop a deeper understanding of the world and make more informed decisions. PKM empowers us to become lifelong learners and navigate the complexities of the digital age with confidence. Section 6. Conclusion. PKM is key. Personal knowledge management is not just about organizing information, it's about unlocking your full potential. By taking control of your knowledge, you can learn faster, make better decisions, and become more creative. In a world overflowing with information, PKM is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Embrace the power of PKM and start building your second brain today.